Welcome to Savannah!
Hey, I'm Holly with First Team. We've been a part of the RIA since inception. It's an amazing event. We love meeting our contractor partners and looking for new franchise opportunities at this event. It's amazing and fun. Come join it.
Hey, this is Robbie Bradshaw from the IICRC, and I'm here at the RIA Convention for another successful year. Looking forward to networking with everybody and learning some new things.
Hi, my name is Keisha Kelly. I'm with American Restoration. I'm the production manager. I'm brand new here. I'm excited to be here. I'm learning a lot, getting to network with people.
Hi, I'm Matt Ziegler, Director of Operations with EDS, and what I like about RIA is just getting an opportunity to collaborate with many other people in our industry and keeping up with the latest technology and information that's available.
Hi, I'm Luis Castillo with Dry Medical Florida. We just joined the RIA. We are having such a great time. They are giving us so many tools to help our restoration business. Join, you won't regret it.
My name is Shantae. I'm from Restoring Faith Restoration. I'm so excited to be here. This experience has been amazing. If you're not a member, please become one. So many opportunities. I'm learning so much to better serve our clients and our communities.
One of the biggest reasons people attend the Restoration Industry Association is for the networking. So we created an opportunity for professionals to get together in small groups and have peer-to-peer discussions, talking through their biggest challenges, the biggest opportunities their businesses are facing, the industry is facing, so we can learn from each other. A rising tide raises all ships.
The RIA is for everybody. Like, let's put it this way. If you're in restoration, you might play the game different ways. You might be doing MRP work, you might be doing plumber work, or you might just be running your own independent. However you play the game, the RIA is here. It's an advocacy group for you, for restorers, by restorers. It's the place that you want to be if you're going to hang your hat.
We are very proud to have been a sponsor for RIA over the last 23 years. And this year, we're giving back $216,778.
What a great event the RIA has put on this year. It's my first time coming. We've got great events, great people, great knowledge. Come out and see us next year.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jeff Moore. Another successful RIA event here in Savannah, Georgia. Sold out event, the most people we've ever had. I want to see you next year in my hometown in Phoenix, Arizona, April 2027.
See you in Phoenix!